We're about to find the oldest geocache in the entire world. Apparently there used to be a plaque here that actually explained what the oldest geocache was, what geocaching is, and so this was not the first geocache ever placed. But people suck, so they tore it down. That's why people can't have nice things, which is why you have me here to explain for you. So while we walk over to this cache, the name of it is Mingo. It is in Kansas, just in the middle of Kansas, in the middle of the country. And the misunderstanding is this was not the first geocache ever placed. That was actually just outside of Portland, Oregon. I've been there too. This is the oldest surviving geocache, so I believe it was the 8th one ever hidden. It was hidden in May of 2000. And if you want to know the geocode for this cache, it's GC30. And as of last night, this cache just hit 4,000 favorite points. That's right, this cache has been found over 10,000 times, and you can see it right behind me. We're about to walk up to the oldest surviving geocache. Right here is Mingo. I've seen this container online, but never in person, and check out this amazing cache. I usually don't look inside of caches in my videos, but obviously we have to for this one. This logbook literally has thousands of signatures. We've got some swag in there too. If you ever want to make a geocaching trip, come to Mingo. There's a lot of gadget caches in the area as well. Added my signature there. You can see it was found yesterday. Like I said, 4,000 favorite points on this one, so it's definitely a mecca for geocaching. We've officially found Mingo, the oldest surviving geocache in the entire world, 24 years, and it's hidden right off the interstate. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all later.